What's up, guys? My name's Nico. I'm a freshman here at Emerson, and I'm a visual media arts major.
Hi, everyone. I'm Raven, a senior here at Emerson College. Welcome to the Tufte Performance and Production Center. At Emerson, you can get hands-on experience in your field from day one, and the Tufte Performance and Production Center is just one of the places on campus where that can happen. For visual media arts majors, the 8th floor houses the DeBona Family Television Studios, as well as the Vin and Cara DeBona Control Room. Both are state-of-the-art, industry-standard spaces for students to produce television, content for classes, and co-curricular. Performing arts and design tech students also gain hands-on experience in Tufte facilities.
Students prepare everything they need for the performances in the design and technology labs, the costume and prop shops, and the Bobbi Brown and Stephen Plofker Design and Technology and Makeup Suite.
It all comes together in front of audiences in the Semel and Green theaters.
How awesome.